Hi, I'm Chef Curtis Duffy. Thank you for taking the time to learn about Escoffier schools. I feel attending culinary school is important because it inlies a fundamental cooking set and a foundation to build upon. What I like about Escoffier school is the fundamental cooking it gives you, the classroom setting. It's a very small classroom setting. The farm-to-table aspect gives you the opportunity to understand where food comes from. The opportunity to go out into a professional kitchen as your externship. Every student gets that opportunity, and it's a great way to professional network. So I can tell you why I'm excited about the Curtis Duffy Scholarship this year is, I love the idea to be able to give these students the opportunity to pursue something that they're very passionate about without having to worry about the finances and the pressure that that brings upon them. What I'm excited to see this year for the submissions for all the Curtis Duffy Scholarship are, it's a small window, it's a small glimpse into these students' lives, and it kind of really brings out some of their personality, and we can kind of see a little bit about how they're going to cook and how they're going to attack the food from the way they feel, the passion that's driven behind them. Good luck to all of you, and I hope to see you on campus one day.